how to schedule posts on TikTok. So to do that, you need to open up a browser in your device, then just search for TikTok web and tap on www.tiktok.com. Now, if you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in. Make sure that you have set it to desktop site. In order to do so, just tap on a three dot icon at the top and select on a desktop site button. Then at the very top, you will see this button upload. Click on it, then you will see an interface like this. Just click on select video, then tap on the video to upload and click on done. After a while, you'll find an interface like this where you can add descriptions, edit and more. But most importantly, right over here, you will see the option of schedule. Click on the schedule option, then select on the date and the time. After that, just click on the schedule button for confirmation. Then just like that, you'll be notified your video has been scheduled to the designated date and time. So this is how you schedule posts on your TikTok. And thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.